A lot of you guys have been asking about this split keyboard mount I have on my chair. As promised, I am making it open source. So I spent the last few days tweaking the design and I have just uploaded everything to GitHub. Today I want to walk you through the design philosophy and how to use it. The whole system is built around a modular design philosophy, broken down into three main parts. Part 1 is the base mount that clamps onto the armrest of your computer chair. Once that is secure, it provides the mounting host for the next piece. The second part is the support bracket, which bolts onto the armrest mount. The third and final piece is the keyboard tray itself. The tray is shaped specifically for the split keyboard I'm using, and it has 3 screw holes to lock it down firmly onto the support bracket. So that's the 3-part structure. Why go with a 3-part modular design? Well, imagine I switch to a different module or split keyboard down the line, or maybe you have a completely different keyboard than mine. You can just design a new tray for your specific board and mount it to the existing brackets, reusing the other 2 modules. So the same logic applies to the armrest. If your chair's armrest is a different width, you only need to adjust the armrest clamp design and the rest of the setup stays the same. Let's talk about the specs for the armrest clamp. First off, the thickness of your armrest needs to be under 3 cm. For the width, the standard version fits up to 9 cm. I also made a version for 10 cm armrests. So just measure your armrest width and pick the right one to print. Now, if you need to design your own tray, I marked the mounting hole dimension on the GitHub repo. You'll find the distance from the edge and the spacing between the holes. As long as your custom tray matches those bolt projections, it will lock right onto the support bracket without any issues. Okay, that's pretty much it for the design. It's quite simple. Once you got the parts printed, just grab some screws and assemble them. I'm attaching a quick assembly video at the end here for reference.那第3个模式，
我的天！ 接手把这个 unblock 这个。